Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Pretty well forecasted event, that windstorm out there in Washington. One of the interesting things, I was watching it this morning and tweeted about it a few times, is that it kind of came in and stayed there for a couple hours, and then all of a sudden it was over. Kind of almost like a big line of thunderstorms coming through, and then as they move out, the winds died down. So interesting stuff there. Always kind of neat to see what goes on the West Coast and how different it is from our weather. Hey, speaking of our weather today, 59 degrees, our high temperature for today, morning low of 29. Why do I show this to you? I want you to remember last year, all right? 2018. 2 degrees. That's what we woke up to on this morning last year. Thankfully, not as cold this morning and not as cold tomorrow morning as well. Check out our out the door forecast. Temperatures will generally be in the mid to upper 30s as we wake up around 6 a.m. By 7 to 8 a.m. I think we'll be generally around 40 degrees and heading into the low 40s here by 9 to 10, up to the 50s as we go towards lunchtime, and then into the upper 50s to low 60s for highs tomorrow across the region. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds at times. Mostly cloudy skies, but generally a mix as we go throughout the day, with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s across northeast Tennessee, and generally mid to upper 50s as well across southwest Virginia, with 60 in a spot or two, especially if we get a few peaks of sunshine in there through the clouds. Let's talk about the temperatures over the next 7 days, because look at Wednesday and Thursday. That's when everything goes downhill. Our average high, though, is around 45, so we're getting closer to that towards Friday into Saturday, but certainly shocked the system here on Wednesday and Thursday after highs in the 60s over the last couple of days, or at least close to 60. As we can step through Monday, you notice a few of those clouds around. I also want to point out the winds on Monday and how they're going to increase as we go later on into the day, especially towards the evening and into the overnight. Through the day, some gusts 5 to 15 miles per hour, especially in the mountains out of the south to southeast. Then as we go into Monday evening here, watching this line of rain from the west, that swings in as we go towards 7 to 8 o'clock along the Virginia-Kentucky line, and generally closer to 9, 10, and 11 o'clock for the Tri-Cities, and then some scattered rain behind it. So we'll say rain chances increasing towards 10 or 11 for the Tri-Cities tomorrow, and then in the mountains generally around 10 to 11. Here we go into Tuesday morning around 1 a.m. Some clouds around, winds out of the south. Notice a few spotty showers throughout the morning hours of Tuesday, and then things do start to improve as we go into Tuesday afternoon with the sky starting to clear out. Cold front coming through. Behind it, winds out of the west, northwest. That's going to usher in that cooler air. So enjoy the mild air tomorrow. Watch for a few rain showers at times Monday night and Tuesday morning. Cooler air coming in behind it. Watch for a few snow showers in spots as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday, mainly on the northwest facing slopes. That shouldn't be a big deal. What may be a bigger deal, though, is this system, a system that will develop along the Gulf Coast and track towards us as we go into Saturday night and Sunday. There is the potential for some snow, but we're still several days out from that potential storm. So the question is, how much cold air will there be in place for that moisture to interact with? Of course, we need temperatures in the 30s for some snow or lower. With that storm track right now, we're pretty confident in the storm track keeping some moisture to us, so I think we will see some moisture. The question really is, how much cold air will we have? So the confidence in that is a little low right now. Active pattern, though, with that moisture, confidence medium to high. We'll up those and change those as we get a little bit closer, as more data becomes available over the next couple of days. Right now, we're in that 6 to 8 days out time frame where we start tracking the system. 4 to 5 days out as we get towards Tuesday and Wednesday, we can be a little more confident and tell you whether a storm appears likely or not likely. Our 7-day forecast looks like this. 50s for Monday and Tuesday, close to 60. There's some of those snow showers Wednesday night into Thursday. Look at Thursday morning, though, 22 degrees, wind chill values in the teens across the area. Kristen, a very chilly start on Thursday.